one of the best kept secrets in numismatics here at the U.S. Mexican Numismatic Association Convention. It's in Scottsdale, Arizona. It's held every October, and it's just an incredible show. We talked to the promoter of the show, Cory Frampton, who talked about what's involved in putting this convention on.
This has been one more great year for us. It's our 7th annual convention here in Scottsdale. It has been the largest convention so far. It seems like it improves every year. This year we've got a great group of speakers. We just finished with Peter Dunham on a remarkable speech on icons and archaeology and banknotes and coins. We've got another great group of guys coming this afternoon. I think attendance is up perhaps 25% or so. It's kind of become the boutique Latin Mexican show to attend in the United States. And what more can I say? Come join us next year. We'll be here in mid-October again. The dates will be on our website, usmex.org. Copies of DVDs are going to be available on CoinTelevision. And for purchase, you can see copies of you can see the videos from the presentations. What more can I say? Come visit us next year.
Why would a family come here? What was here for the wives do?
This part of Scottsdale is rich with great restaurants, great shopping, lots of activities. The weather normally is really nice and warm. It's raining outside. Unusual, very unusual for this time of year. Usually we're mid-80s. Lots of outdoor things to do, golf, all sorts of stuff. And the convention itself is a very social event. It is not like a coin convention where the people are just primarily in the bourse floor. This is a social event from the welcoming party on the patio all the way to the end.